Hey everyone, it's Sean from Our Bronco Life, and today I'm going to be installing a roof rack from Hooke Road. Now first, let's go unbox it. Now I'm going to separate all my hardware into piles to make sure it's nicely organized for installation. I'm just going to hand tighten these for the front bracket for now until I get everything in place. Now I installed the cross members on the upper bolts. The two lower bolt holes are going to be for the mounts on top of the roof rack. I'm just going to tighten them up. Now I install the rear bracket with the two bolts right here. Now that the back and the front are both installed, I loosely installed the mounts to keep these bolts nice and loose before I have it positioned on top of our Bronco. One thing to make sure is follow the instructions, because each one has a different groove to alert you if they're passenger side front or driver side front or rear as well. So we decided to go with the rear roof rack, which only covers the rear cap of our Bronco with these two mounting points. Now we wanted to do that so we could still remove the front row and second row tops of our Bronco. Now that it's all put together, let's install it on our Bronco. So all the bolts are nice and tight except the side mounts, which we kept loose, so when we put it on top of our rear cap of our Bronco, we can align it and then we'll just finish tightening the bolts once it gets in place. Now that I have the roof rack in place and on the mounts of the hardtop, let's tighten up the bolts to secure it down. Installation is complete. What do you guys think? We will add a link to the product in the description below. From start to finish, it took only about 45 minutes to put it together and install it on our Bronco. We love the way it turned out and hope you guys do as well. So please reach out if you have any questions, and thanks for checking out our video.